You don't need to go viral to start making money on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you the secret hack top creators use to make money on Facebook today. And you need to try this now before everyone else catches on. Facebook is the biggest social media platform and anyone, including you, can start making money today. It's easier to reach new people on Facebook now that it's adapted its algorithm-based content sharing. But what does this mean to you? The algorithm boosts your visibility so you can grow your audience base. Facebook also has its monetization programs, Facebook Stars, in-stream ads, and the Facebook Performance Bonus program. These programs let you earn from your content or virtual gifts from your followers. These are great, but there are limitations on the amount you can earn. And you also have to meet the required watch time and maintain engagement in your content. These restrictions can make it challenging to even start making money. So basically, engagement is your currency to join the monetization program. The key here is to keep your audience engaged. But what's the fastest and easiest way to keep your followers engaged while still making money? The answer is paid online challenges. Facebook users love them. Groups for certain topics usually run these challenges, from finance, personal development, fitness, and even creativity. Everyone loves participating in challenges because they're fun and engaging, so inviting people to join is pretty easy. But there's no way for you to track and earn money directly from these challenges on Facebook. What you can do is use free platforms like NASA.io. If you go to NASA.io/Facebook challenge and sign up for a community, you can use all these tools for your Facebook challenge. Just create your challenge, explain what it's about, and add a photo. And once you publish, you will have a landing page like this. Your participants can download the app to join the challenge and track their progress when it starts. For example, if you're a design expert, you can create a 30-day creativity challenge, where participants have to complete the exercises that will boost their creativity on a due date. Using NASA.io, they can upload a photo or check in, and you can easily track their progress. And here's how you can use your Facebook to promote your challenge and get participants in. Use your Facebook account or page to generate buzz by creating a series of teaser posts and build anticipation and explain what the challenge is about. Create a reel to announce your online challenge and put the link in your bio as your call to action. Go live and directly interact with your followers. Answer the questions and highlight the benefits of joining your challenge. Then, offer an enticing reward. People love rewards, and it makes the challenge even more worth it. Knowing that there's a prize, along with personal transformation, encourages people to join and pay. This could be anything from an all-expense paid vacation to a high-tech gadget. Partnering with brands or sponsorships can help you offer even more attractive prices. So, how is 10K possible with this online challenge? With NASA.io, you can create a paid online challenge, and your participants can easily pay through the link to join. The goal here is to get as many participants as you can, so make sure you come up with a good launch and strategy for promotions. If your challenge costs $10 for participation, get as many as 1,000 participants. If you're doing a premium challenge with higher rewards, you can charge a $100 fee, and you only need 100 people to join your challenge. Paid online challenges are the newest and fastest way to monetize. And if you're wondering, has anybody done this before? Well, here's Wariko and Kur's Hustle 100 Challenge, with more than 2,000 participants ready to make their first $100 online. And check out the other challenges these creators have made. So if you're ready to make your first 10K on Facebook, create your paid challenge now and bring as many people on board as possible. I'm excited to see all the transformation stories from your challenges. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online.